Service in League City has issued a special marine afternoon, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms late. Tonight, tropical storm conditions possible with hurricane conditions also possible. South winds around 30 knots, becoming southwest around 20 knots after midnight. Seas 6 to 9 feet, occasionally to 11 feet, subsiding to 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet after midnight. Wave. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles, Galveston Bay, until 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Galveston 150 to 7 nautical miles east of North Jetty, moving northwest at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the Texas City Dike, Galveston Bay Entrance, North Jetty, Eastern Galveston Bay, and Southwestern East Galveston Bay. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas and the adjacent coastal waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The coastal waters for